following content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. This content should not be taken as medical advice.
Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is Earwax Removal vlog number 135. In today's video, we're going to look at a patient who's got some orangey earwax that just needs to be removed. As we look down this patient's ear, we can see a large impaction. Again, Q-tips, they keep me so busy in the office. Please stop using Q-tips to try to clean your ears. All you're doing is pushing this wax further and further down. On this patient, we're going to be extremely careful. If you notice at the lower left corner or portion of the eardrum or ear canal, we see what looks to be a tiny little growth. Those are generally little growths that can be very sensitive in the ear canals and oftentimes come from swimming in cold water as a child. Their technical term is exostosis, and they're really not anything to worry about, especially when they're this little, but they are very sensitive. So if you've ever stuck a Q-tip down your ear canal and actually touched one of those, you would know about it. And we're just trying to avoid touching it so we don't cause the patient any undue discomfort. As we're removing this wax, you can see just how much is actually down by that ear canal and eardrum, and that's really causing this patient the feeling of oral fullness and pressure in the ears. Now, they did not report reduced hearing, but they did have fullness in the ear. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and helps to keep me motivated to put out this content. Now that we got that all out of there, you can see we have a great view of the eardrum. All right, now we're going to go on to the other side here. The patient was able to move their eardrum. As we look down this ear canal, we see very little earwax, so we don't really have to do much here. We just wanted to get a good view for the patient. They do have a history of surgery on that side, so we wanted to show them exactly what it looked like. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching.